The ultimate SAVii loan review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're considering short-term personal loans, most people get this wrong by not researching interest rates and repayment terms carefully. The surprising truth about SAVii loan is that it offers quick online loans with fast approval, but it's important to understand fees, eligibility, and repayment requirements before committing. First, explore the application process. You won't believe how simple it is. Submit basic personal details, proof of income, and bank information. Approval can happen within minutes, making it ideal for urgent financial needs. Next, check the interest rates and fees. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on speed and ignoring costs. SAVii loan rates vary depending on your credit profile, so reviewing the repayment plan is crucial to avoid surprises. Understand eligibility criteria. The surprising truth is that these loans typically require a steady income, a bank account, and proof of identity. Meeting all requirements increases your chances of approval. Finally, plan your repayment. You won't believe how many borrowers run into problems by missing deadlines. Setting reminders and budgeting your repayments ensures a smooth experience and protects your credit score. In conclusion, SAVii loan can help you go from zero to pro in managing short-term financial needs. By understanding application steps, reviewing interest and fees, checking eligibility, and planning repayment, you can use the service safely and responsibly. Quick access to funds doesn't have to come with hidden risks.